Hi, let's have continuation of nomenclature of alkyl halides. So we are discussing about if the halogen is going to continue on the same chain. So two to three different halogen has to continue on the same chain. Then how we are going to initiate the name and where we have to give the number. See, for example, we have the series of examples here. So for example, we are going to see ethane. Ethane here. So to this ethane we have a fluorine substituent followed by bromine, then chlorine. So now we are going to initiate the numbering from the fluorine, then followed by number 2 at the carbon atom that shows the attachment of bromine and chlorine. Now while giving the name you have to go for representing as per the alphabetical. So alphabetical wise, alphabetical order as A B C, like here. So go bromo, chloro, then followed by the fluorine. So the bromine position will stands at second position, 2 bromo, 2 chloro. The fluorine we have so 3 fluorine atoms, so 1 comma 1 comma 1 trifluoroethane. So similarly here, so we have some examples. So a 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. So similarly, so in case of a butane, so we have two halogen substituents. Similarly, so as per the alphabetical order, so if we are going to give the numbering from the chain that shows the chlorine atom as 1 and 2 followed by 3 here. So go as 3 bromo 1 chloro butane. So here we have to go the numbering as 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 here. So it will becomes as per the alphabetical. If we are going to give the name as 3 bromo 1 chloro butane. Similarly, so we are going to see the down 2 bromo 1 chloro 4 fluoro 3 methyl. For a butane we have almost 3 halogen substituents here. So while giving the name, so to the carbon atom that shows the chlorine, then while giving the name as per the alphabetical order, 2 bromo 1 chloro 4 fluoro 3 methyl butane. So similarly, we have a cyclic cyclopentane ring. Here we have the two halogen atoms. So if you go the numbering to the chlorine, so followed by second position to the bromine, so we are going to give the preference to the bromine atom as per the alphabetical, as a 2 bromo 1 chloro, so 3 iodo. We have the iodine position at the third, so 3 iodo cyclopentane. So now we are going to see a series of examples now. So now we are going to see the compounds if it have a double, otherwise a triple bond. So how we have to go for the preference there. So for example, we are going to draw one cyclic compound. This is nothing but a cyclo and cyclo sorry so I have to join this properly, otherwise it will be confusion to you. One here, then two, then three, metra, then. So if I am not going to draw any unsaturated bond inside, it will become a saturated compound, cyclo. It's a cyclic compound which has 6 carbon atoms. It will become cyclohexane. So it's a cyclohexane, which is a saturated cyclic compound. Now we are going to draw two unsaturation bonds here, then one of the methyl substituent, then here I am going to insert a halogen atom by the replacement of a hydrogen. Now how I have to initiate the number. So go for the preference to the unsaturated bond that have the substituent. So here 1, then 2 here, 3, 4 and 5, then 6. If you start the IUPAC name for this compound as per the alphabetical order, you have to go for the halogen at 5th position as 5 bromo, 5 bromo, 1 methyl, 5 bromo, 1 methyl, 5 bromo, 1 methyl cyclohex, 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 1 comma 4 diene. So we have to go for mention the position of the double bond, so that has been initiated at 1, then followed by the fourth as 1 comma 4. We have two bonds, two double bonds diene. Okay, the IUPAC name as 5 bromo 1 methyl cyclohex 1 comma 4 diene. Now we are going to see a compound that have, so this is a compound which is a, so imagine, so it is a compound we have almost, sorry, I'm going to join this compound. Okay, imagine, so it will resemble as a pentane structure. Now we are going to attach a double bond, then followed by a triple bond here. Okay, so we have a halogen atom here, a halogen atom here. So now see, if you go for the IUPAC name as, go for the numbering 1 to the unsaturated bond, unsaturated double bond, then 2, then here 3, then here 4, then here 5. Okay, so this is a pentane which has two type of unsaturations, one double bond and one is nothing but a triple bond, ine. So we have a halogen attachment also. So while giving the numbering to this, go for initiating to the double bonded carbon atom, double bonded carbon atom, that has 1, followed by the halogen carbon atom as 2, then 3 and 4 stands for the triple bonded atom. Now go for giving the name as a 2-chloro, 2-chloro. So it's a 5 carbon atom that goes for pent. So we have two bonds, we have to go for the preference as 1 in, then followed by at 4th position we have, at 4th position we have a triple bond as ine. Okay, so 2-chloro pent 1 in, so 4 ine. So we have to go for the numbering of the compound like this.